Hi there, it's Saturday the 31st of January 2015. My name is Andy Rowe and this is trendfollower.co.uk, and what I'm going to do in this video is just go through my open positions, have a look and see how they're doing. Now just to remind you, my video layout on the graphs here shows weekly candles, so I'm a weekly trader and like to look at things once a week, so I don't think these are daily candles, they're weekly candles. So starting with Amara Mining. So Amara Mining went down a little bit this week, so I bought it here, it went up, it went down, went up, and now it's gone down very slightly, which is a nuisance, but my stop's down here, so I'm expecting great things from Amara Mining in due course, but that didn't happen this week. BTG, which is a pharmaceutical company, went down a little bit this week. I bought them back here and they've just been tracking sideways and have dropped down. I'm using the MA50 as my stop, so I'm gradually moving the stop up. Sugar went down this week. It's been quite uppy downy, so not a good week for my sugar trade. This was not a trend trade, you know. I don't really know why it's in here. It's just it wasn't a trend trade. I thought it was all going to turn around, but you know, it's amazing how you can do things which you think are a good idea at the time, and with the benefit of hindsight, they look absolutely ridiculous. This is not trend trading. This is turnaround trading, and it looked like it was turning around last week, but not this week. So there we go. Same with wheat, which has been coming down badly. My stop's down here. If it hits there, that's the end of my wheat trade. I bought it because it had gone up through the MA50, and I thought it was gonna run a run, but it hasn't. So Fresnillo, which is the world's largest silver miner, has gone up a little bit this week. That's good. Granger, which is a landlord, have gone up slightly. I'm short Granger, so I sold to open a position down here as the price came down through the MA20, and since then the price has sort of just meandered around sideways and slightly up, which is the wrong way actually. I want it to go down. Netherlands gapped up and then came down this week, so here we go. I'm about at break even. My stop is just above this last high. So yeah, I thought that the Netherlands would have gone up more last week after the quantitative easing announcement was made, but it didn't really. So it gapped up this week, came down a bit. So no massive change. Man Group, which is a financial services company, have gone up very nicely. My stop is not at the MA50. I've moved it up to break even because the trade's done so well, and I'll just let that run. Once the MA50 catches up with the break-even point, I'll use the MA50 as the stop, and this could be a position that will run around. If I just open the graph up, you can see it's come down a long way, and there's plenty of potential there historically. So I don't want to have too tight a stop and get stopped out, because I'm happy for this trade to run for a couple of years. That'll be fine, and see how it goes. My Rightmove trade unfortunately got stopped out. You can see this little green line is where my stop loss was, and the price of Rightmove went up. I had shorted Rightmove, and as it came up through my stop, that killed the trade. But then it came down again. How unfair is that? And this type of candle at the end of the week suggests there is downward pressure on the share price, and my stop was probably just a little bit too tight. I should have had the stop up here really. I cranked it right down to just above this level here, this Donchian channel price, and I paid the price. That was the end of my trade, and I'm down on that, which is a shame, because I still think that Rightmove is going to go down ultimately. Telecity has gone up. I'm long Telecity, and this Telecity had a good week, so that's great. You can see where my stop is below the MA50. I've come up just a couple of points more because the MA50 is rising, which is what I want. Victoria Oil and Gas hasn't done much this week really. It's just sort of going up and down in a bit of a channel really. So no, you can't really say it's directional, I don't think. My stop is down below here. If it goes way down, I'm out, but in the meantime, until it goes up significantly and stays up there, I'm not going to start reeling in the stop loss, because that'll just be the end of the trade. Wincanton, the industrial transport group, have done well this week. Nice nice positive move up. So I've moved my stop loss up, just trading below the MA50, which is cool. Again, this is something that could run and run. If I open the graph up, it's been up at the £4 mark. At the moment it's about £1.77, so could go up a lot further. I hope it does. We shall see. So that's it. I think those are my open positions. So there you go. Hope you found that interesting. Not loads of change. One stop. One's been stopped out. So that's a shame. And otherwise, yeah, bit up, bit down. Probably more up than down, which is good. But the right move. Loss was a bit of a pain, really. So with the benefit of hindsight, I probably should have just had a slightly tighter stop loss. Sorry, a slightly looser stop loss, but there we go. So I'm going to think about what trade I'm going to do this week, and I'll probably do another video about that actually. So have a great week, and I'll catch up with you next weekend. Okay, bye.